Here's how to pipe a buttercream scabiosa. Begin by attaching parchment to the nail. Using tip 102, pipe petals that have 3 points, a high peak in the center and 2 lower peaks on both sides. Make sure all the petals are touching. Pipe a total of 8 petals. Start the second layer of petals by piping new petals between 2 petals of the previous layer. Keep petals consistent in shape and size as you continue piping. Again, pipe a total of 8 petals. Remove tip 102 and replace it with tip 81, which has a curved opening. Using tip 81, pipe a ring of short curved petals around the center. The petals should be tightly arranged and touch one another. Using tip number 1, fill the center with small green dots. Though time-consuming, layering these tiny dots will give the center a realistic texture and dimension. Layer them as you pipe to create a mounded shape in the center. Using tip number 1, scatter a few larger light green dots on top. There you have a completed scabiosa.